Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you yet another description. Thanks for coming along to my channel. Yep, okay, so we're going to start off with this Hearty food called sweet and sour sauce. Alright, so let the camera do a zoom in a bit. That's what's in it, guys. If you want to pause the video, see if this is to your liking. Alright, so this of course is by Tesco, Hearty Food & Co. I've viewed this before. Not sure about this one. I'm going to shove some of this chicken in. This is pre-cooked, so it's beef. I'm not doing anything else with it, and then literally just chucking in the sauce on top of this. Now normally you would fry the raw chicken and then you'd add the sauce, but because it's already cooked, I don't see the point in doing that. So let me try and find a spoon. So what you got to do with this is just sort of gently put it on, bring it to the oil, and cook for 45 minutes. Now this, I've had the noodles of this before and I didn't really like it. We take the time and care and create recipes in our kitchen to help you dish up good food and tuck it. So that's the fact content, guys. Ding. I bet you might have seen this on the shelves at Tesco and taste it raw. Doesn't taste that bad. The noodles are absolutely horrendous, but that's another story. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to let that cook. I'll be back shortly. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, this is cooking up okay now. So seems to be I've done it for what it says, which is like 4 minutes and stuff. 4 or 5 minutes it says. Work well, blah de blah, 4 to 5 minutes, fry the chicken 45 minutes, and simmer, it says cook for 10 minutes. Right, okay, so it's 10 minutes, not 5 minutes, guys. Pour over the jar of sauce and simmer for 10 minutes. I would say put the sauce over the meat. Back in a bit. Alright guys, so that's 10 minutes. That looks quite nice. That looks like nice. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour it onto this nice rice. We'll serve that up. So guys, there you go. That's the finished result. I'm now going to sit and try it out. Please don't look at me. That's actually, it's got, in this sauce, it's got a bit of onion. Oh, the flash has gone out. So I shall put the light on, please. Who needs a flash when you've got the light? So anyway, I'm going to just try this bit of chicken. You notice when you're doing videos, you're always on low on battery, you're always doing so. That's not bad, that sauce at all. Mixed in with the rice, that's pretty good. There seems to be a lack of... It tastes alright, it just has a lack of just general stuffing. I mean, if you take a look, the sauce itself is kind of like... It's not that many vegetables, like, you know, it's describing itself as like that, but it's actually like that. So it's lacking... It should have more pineapple. I've actually got some pineapple in there, I should have put some in. But yeah, could have done with some more bits and bobs in there, pineapple and peppers. But apart from that, I can recommend that, guys. Thanks for watching this video.